In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to check Fairmoney account number. So right here, after you have finished setting up your account, it's a bit tricky on the platform to know how to navigate from one place to another. But then in this video, you'll just be able to find your Fairmoney account number. So as you can see on this page right here, you can see where I have my balance of 1,000 naira, and you can also see account details. So just click on account details right there at the top. So once you click on that, you're gonna see loading your Fairmoney bank account details. So wait on this page till it load. So sometimes it might take a little bit while for it to generate, and sometimes it might be very fast, and sometimes it can be maybe from your network or something like that. So just give it your time and then the page will load. I don't know why it's taking too much time to load. Alright, I'm gonna click on try again. Alright, so you can see this is my account number right here. You can see your Fairmoney bank account details, you see your account name, you see your account number. You can just click on copy and then you'll be able to copy your account number, and you can also see your bank details right there, and your level, so you can see how much you can receive and then what's the limit on your account. So once you get that, just click on got it, then the page will go just like that.